You're bidding on an Ammco disc drum lathe combination with the safety arc, shoe archer. This has been sitting for a long time. It came out of a municipal garage that looks like they stopped turning drums and rotors. Doesn't look like they did any big truck stuff because there's no big sizes here or the big arbors or the adapters. It's been sitting a long time. It's got some surface rust, not real bad. Needs the knob. That's no big deal. It just pushes in there. Let's see. Swab, you want to... Oh, here's the knob. Needs a new knob. This one here is worn out. The inside, not worn out, but... Okay, do the cross feed. Make it go fast, please. Okay, put it back in neutral. Here's the draw. Oh, well, you can see it. And you can slow it down. Speed it up. The shoe archer. Well, it was working a minute ago. Is it plugged in?
Yeah, just check the plug.
That's what it is. There's not a lot of use on this. Like I say, there is some slight surface rust, but this stuff comes right off. It's been sitting in a municipal garage for a long time. It's fully functional. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.